Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT4 to a Samsung phone. First, ensure your Huawei Watch is charged to at least 20%. Then, download the Huawei Health app. You can find it in the Galaxy Store or the Huawei App Gallery. Finally, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your Samsung device. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing experience. Once the Huawei Health app is installed, open it and navigate to the Devices section. Tap on Add Device and select your specific Huawei watch model, like the GT4. Your phone will then search for the watch. When prompted, confirm the pairing request on both your watch and your Samsung phone. This usually involves tapping a checkmark or pair button on both screens. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A good first step is to restart both your Huawei Watch and your Samsung phone. Also, try clearing the cache of the Huawei Health app in your phone settings. Ensure the app has all necessary permissions enabled. Sometimes, simply trying to pair in a different location can resolve interference problems. After successfully connecting, you can now fully enjoy your Huawei Watch GT4. Use the Huawei Health app to customize watch faces, manage notification settings, and track your fitness data, including heart rate and sleep patterns. Explore additional smart features like music control and the remote camera shutter to enhance your daily experience with your new connected device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.